Just forget about whipped caramel. This is whipped butterscotch. It only takes 4 ingredients and it couldn't be easier to make. So this is literally 4 ingredients. So I've got butter and then I've got muscovado sugar. You can use any type of brown sugar. And all you do is put that on a medium heat. You cook it down until it's melted and started to bubble. Once it's bubbly like this, we're gonna slowly whisk in our cream and then bring it back to the boil. Remove it from the heat and then we're just gonna pour it into a separate bowl. And the final step is a good pinch of flaky sea salt. We're gonna stir that through. All you have to do now is chill this, ideally about 12 hours, overnight will be perfect. The next day it will have thickened slightly, but it will still be quite soft. So we're gonna use an electric hand whisk or a stand mixer to whisk it to a medium stiff peak. And the great thing about this is it's really stable. So it's beautiful to pipe because it's gonna hold its shape. It's not gonna split easily and you can use it for a nice rocher. Now that texture is like, it's airy, it's almost like a whipped cream, but with this deep molasses toffee flavor. Now it is sweet, but the salt's gonna rein in that sweetness. So really important to add that salt. I wouldn't use tons of it on dessert because it is so sweet. So just a little bit of decorative piping, maybe on a brownie, but it's very stable, so it's beautiful to pipe. The full recipe is on my website. Just click that link in my bio.